going. So she's the one that you need to keep your distance from.
Everybody's seeing double red. I can't get double red. Yes. Double red. Stop. Double red.
I'm coming in behind you.
Thanks.
You're gonna
Appreciate.
maintain your distance, right?
Yes,
Alright,
I
and
will try.
And you're gonna paddle through the rapids, right?
Yes,
I've
yes.
seen her drive. I don't know if I trust her behind you.
Thank you.
You just keep it pointed straight down your belt where you want to be. The
Yes.
river's going to try to push you right.
Okay. Oh no. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, we moving again?
As soon as everybody comes through, I think there's still a couple behind you. Yeah, what's the time? Watch it on there, bud. Out forward.
There's the general.
This is us going.
Yep.
That was exciting.
Watch when you're pulling out, please.
Yeah, you got it, my bad. I don't know if you saw it.
I saw
I
it.
know if you didn't see it, you'd be screwed. You made me laugh.
Took a neat one.
Other birds. I don't like to blow. I see it. I can't see it right away. More to
You're having a good time.
Yes. It was really awesome. And finally we had some action.
Some action.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was waiting for something like a rapid.
There's a couple of waves there.
Mhm.
If you wanted to hit waves, you could find them there.
No, no.
If you
I,
didn't want to hit the waves, you could avoid it. It's up to you.
that's true. That's very true.
Come this way away from the eagle. On the bank. Come this way away from the eagle.
Guys, can we please move this way? We're from the eagle.
Yes.
I'm going up. One river right.
Oh, he's weak.
Look at that.
He's big weak. Is Clayton see it?
So, yeah, you see it up there, right? He's looking at you.
He's looking at me. He's got an eagle eye. He sees you a lot better than I can see. He sees you.